Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS fonts, and right now we'll be discussing about how to use multiple Google Fonts effects. How to use Google Font multiple effects right here. We are going to see it now. So we are going to use this our software on fire again. To request multiple font effects, just separate the effect names with a pipe character, which is this pipeline right here, like this. Then we are going to have multiple effects that we can use anytime we want to call it. So like this now, after our software font family right here, font family name right here, we are seeing, and after the and we are seeing effect. After the effect, we are seeing is equal to neon, pipeline, outline, pipeline again, emboss, pipeline again, shadow dash, multiple. Definitely we can use this 5 effects, 1 2 3 4. We can use these 4 effects in our document. Now I'm going to show you how all this works quickly. I don't want us to talk much about this. If you have been following me along, you should be able to know how you can use the Google font effect. You can check our previous tutorial on it, how I explain it in depth. So let's get back to our document. This is our document now, and we want to change the way these things look by specifying multiple font effects. So back to our document right here. As you can see, this is our link. This is our Google Fonts link. As you can see, this is from the Google Font API. So now I'm going to change this effect right here. We are having the shadow dash multiple only right here. So I'm going to multiply this. I'm going to give it more effect name. So let's get back to the Google API we were in the previous tutorial. So this is the Google API we are in the previous tutorial. You can check our previous tutorial to know how we got here. So I'm going to copy some font name right here so we can be able to use it. I'm going to copy this one right here. So immediately after our shadow multiple right here, I'm going to give it a pipe. So immediately after the pipe, I'm going to specify this Anna leaf something. I'm going to give it a pipe again. I'm going to find another font that I love here. So let me check another font I love here. I love this fire one. I'm going to use this fire animation. So this fire animation, I'm going to use it. I'm going to copy it. Get back to our document now. I'm pasting it right here. Immediately after our pipe, don't forget there's no any space there. So I'm just using 3 right now. Let me save our document and see what we got firstly. So let's reload our document. When we reload our document, you are going to see we are still going to have this kind of font. So the thing that is going to happen now is that we are going to give another class name. Like let's say for instance now we are having fire, we are having analog and the fire animation. So all this analog and the fire animation, we are going to change it. So this is our legend element that is having the software font name, which is this software we are using right here. As you can see, the font family is software. So right now, let's get back to this page now and change the font name right here and change it to another thing. Like let's paste this one now, fire animation. Let's save our document and reload. Let's see what we got. Can you see now we are having this fire animation? So that's how you can use this font name. Any out of this font effect you are having right here, you can use any one of it in your document. So now let me copy this one now and specify it in our other element. Let me copy this one and give this one to our span element right here. So I'm going to give this one to our span element right here. Let me just give it class. When I give it class, and I'm going to give it what font, after giving it font, I'm going to give it effect. After giving it effect, I'm going to give it dash, and I'm going to paste this thing right here and save our document. When I save my document and reload, you are going to see this one. Keep looking at this bottom right here. Can you see this place right here? Can you see the way our span element is looking? So I'm going to change this. I'm going to change this now. I'm going to put it right here. Let me paste it right here and copy this one that is right here. I'm going to copy this one that is here. I'm going to paste it here. So I'm switching it so you guys can see how everything works together. Let me save my document and reload. So let's reload. Can you see the one I paste? Can you see this one is having this and this? Can you see my doing now is the one that is blinking now? That's how you can use multiple effects, and you can use it anywhere you want. You can use another one right here also, but it must be among the effects that you specify inside here. So we can use this shadow multiple right here that we are having here. You can use it in our p tag now. Again, let's get to our p tag. P element, this is our P element. Give it a class. After giving it a class, just write font. After the font, write effect. After effect, then dash again. Give it after the dash. Just give it the font name. So let's reload our document. You are going to see the effect is going to reflect right here. Let's reload. Can you see when I reload? This is having the effect. So I can increase the font of my elements also. If I notice you guys doesn't see it very well, let me increase all this one to like 6 so you guys can see what I've done so far. When I reload, can you see this is the blinking effect, and this is the other one, and this is the third one I have. So that's how we did it and we made it. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys anytime to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. And to the next tutorial,